In this guided meditation, we begin to become aware of the spirit within. Sit comfortably in a space where you will not be disturbed. Focus on your feet. Become aware of the soles of your feet through to your toes. Feel the tension in your feet floating away. Now become aware of your calves, moving up and deep into your muscles. Mentally release all the tension in your feet and your calves with each breath. Move your attention into your thighs, feeling the muscles release from your knees to your hips, relaxing and becoming long and loose. With each breath, the muscles become longer and looser. Allow your hips to feel as if they're softly dissolving into your chair or cushion, as though they were being swallowed. Allow all the tension to drop away, softening and letting go of unneeded tensions. Move to your tummy area. Feel it softening and relaxing. Now move your fingers, feeling them stretching as though they were floating away in crystal clear water. Become aware of your shoulders and arms. As you breathe in slowly and out slowly, allow all the tension to melt away. Becoming aware of your neck as it floats above the spine, and balanced on your neck is your head. Rest the muscles on your face and scalp, softening them and letting go of any tension held there. If you become aware of sounds around you, allow them to be there without labels or names and with no judgment. Become aware of your breathing. Breathing in deep and long. Deep and long. Deep and long. Then allowing your breath to return to normal. Feel your breath affecting your whole body, energizing your feet and legs, making them ready to move, spreading up to your hips, giving space to your belly as it moves in and out, and softening the front of your stomach to give more space for your breath. Feel your breath move move into places of tension in your body and let the breath dissolve that tension. Your breath is a beautiful and powerful gift that you received at your birth. It is your life companion in this world. It powers your journey through life when you give it your attention. Your breath fills you with energy and light, giving you all you need. Joy expands out of your heart and filters through all of your awareness. In this awareness, imagine walking through a field of flowers where you come across a stream that you follow. This leads to a beautiful lagoon with flowers, birds, and animals. On the other side of the lagoon, there is a waterfall that you take a drink from. The beautiful sparkling water refreshes you, and you sit down against one of the palm trees, and it gives you full support. Moving your attention up to your mind, you let your mind be free of the emotions that hold it back. Allow it to be free to think, to compose, and create the world that you want to live in. Let your mind be free. Now, begin to see the underlying principles of the universe and your awareness, the higher self within, seeing what you see, always there with all the energy of the universe to support you. Now you are sitting with the breath moving you in and out. You see yourself slowly drift up through the crown of your head, moving through the roof of your building and higher up to see where you live. Now moving higher to see your country, and then higher still until you see the earth. As you breathe, you start to begin to feel your body again. Continue to be aware of your breath, in and out. And when you are ready, open your eyes.